In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Instagram, Facebook, and X into your GoHighLevel website. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functioning social media feed displayed on your site. Let's dive in, starting with Instagram. There are a couple of methods to do this, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, let's focus on how to embed Instagram directly into your GoHighLevel platform. Begin by opening the Instagram post that you want to feature on your website. Once you have the post in front of you, look for three dots, often located in the upper right corner of the post. Clicking these dots will bring up a menu with several options. From here, find and select Embed. This will generate an embed code specific to that Instagram post. Copy this code. You'll need it in just a moment. Now let's shift over to your GoHighLevel account. Once logged in, head over to the Sites section. Here you'll have the option to choose between adding the embed to a funnel or a website page, depending on where you'd like your Instagram content to appear. After making your selection, locate the HTML element within the page editor. This is crucial as it will serve as the placeholder for your Instagram post. Simply drag this element to where you want the post to appear on the page. With the HTML element in place, paste the Instagram embed code you copied earlier directly into the field provided. It's really just as easy as copy, paste, and you're done. But before you move on, double check to ensure the post is displayed as you expect it to. When everything looks good, go ahead and save your work. Remember to hit publish to make sure your changes are live and visible to your site visitors. And that's it. You've successfully embedded an Instagram post into your GoHighLevel website. This method allows for a seamless integration of dynamic social content right onto your web pages, keeping your audience engaged with the latest updates from your Instagram account. Using these straightforward steps, you can diversify your content on your GoHighLevel site with interactive and ever-evolving social media posts. This not only enhances the user experience, but also keeps your site looking fresh and up to date. It's a fantastic way to connect your social media presence with your business's online infrastructure. Thanks for following along, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll cover embedding Facebook and X feeds into GoHighLevel.